video, if it's not obvious, I'm doing a Manchester city centre apartment tour for you, and I thought we would start right here where you enter as soon as you come through the door. This is where you first come in. It's quite a big space really compared to what I'm used to in houses. It's always just like the front door and you're walking straight into like the stairs or something, but we've got this whole big bit of space which is really nice. And then we've got our coat hanger here with our little diamantes on it and all of our coats. And then here on the left, this is just kind of like a utility cupboard. It's really messy, so don't judge me, okay? This is what is inside. This is where we just throw everything that we don't know what to do with. And we've got a washer and dryer in here, but let's close that and forget that exists, okay? Let's leave that. And then in here we have our lovely bathroom. I absolutely love this bathroom. It's really modern, it's really nice, kind of, you know, greenery, shower curtain, and we've got these built-in cupboards with all of our stuff in. And I love keeping all of my stuff in here because it's just kind of out of the way, but obviously looking around you can see that it kind of does spill out all over the place because I have a lot of stuff. I love this massive mirror, like look at this, you can see everything in this mirror, and it's just a really nice bathroom really. Let's move on. Also, if you haven't noticed, we've got grey laminate flooring, which I absolutely love. Like, it is very in grey laminate, if you didn't know. Let's move on to the bedroom in here. So, as you can see, this is quite a large bedroom. As you walk in, we've got nice grey carpet, and we've got our grey teddy bear bedding, even though, yes, it is June. It's very hot on the night. We've got our absolutely ginormous TV here. So we did have the TV over here and it was kind of set up differently, but we like the TV to be quite close to us, so it's kind of like a cinema screen feel. So we moved it here, so when we're laid in bed on a night, it is perfect for us to watch it all and everything. And this is how it comes. We've got these windows over here where you can see out onto our terrace, which is really nice. It doesn't open properly because of the, what's it called, curtain hanger. Because of the curtain hanger thingy, but what can you do really? Ignore Hedgie, he's just chilling on the bed. We've got these built-in wardrobes that slide across, which I won't show you in there either because it's really messy. I've not been very organised during this lockdown, but the doors just slide across and they're absolutely massive and brilliant, and I love them as well. We've also put two pictures up on our wall just to motivate us on a morning. This one says be your own kind of beautiful, and this one says the best is yet to come, because it is. Let's move on. So I won't show you into this cupboard because it's another one that is a disaster, just like me. It is a mess, but it's just where we keep our shoes and stuff. So I won't show you in there right now. Let's move on to the living room area. So you walk through here and it is a very open plan living area, which I absolutely love. We've got our gorgeous sofas that we brought with us, which was a struggle for Connor and Steve. An absolute struggle getting them up to this apartment, but we did it and we brought them in. As you can see, we like a grey theme, so we've got our grey crushed velvet, grey laminate, which we didn't choose, but it worked out really well because this is what I would choose. We've got our, well, I say ours, Connor's drinks trolley here, which is lovely grey as well. My mum got him that for Christmas, which is great. We have our inappropriate shot glasses down here, which Connor's sister Beth got us for Christmas. We have all my drinks glitter, which is amazing, by the way. If you haven't tried that, you definitely should. And we need to fill this drinks trolley up, but right now, during lockdown, we're not really drinking that much, so we'll just leave that as it is. Then we have our absolutely ginormous TV, which we still haven't taken the stickers off, but we've had it about a year.
What inch is it?
65,
yeah, that's it.
65-inch TV with our skull decor on it and our fake plants from IKEA. I really love this. We've got our incense holder, which we put on all the time. It makes it really nice and relaxing here, you know, good vibes. And then on the wall here, we have our beautiful canvas that Connor's mum got us for Christmas, which is a canvas that I've never seen before because it's sparkly. Like, it has actually got glitter all over it, which is amazing. I absolutely love that. If you know me, I love a bit of glitter. And then we've got our pictures of us. These are also in Mallorca actually, aren't they? On a different night that we got taken professionally. And then over that side, we've got our giant diamante skull. It says it's a mirror, but whoa! Did you hear that thunder?
Wow.
Damn! Let's go out here before it gets worse. We have an absolutely ginormous outdoor terrace, which is crazy for an apartment in Manchester in the city centre. It's not like anything that we have ever seen before. And Connor was an estate agent in Manchester and he has never seen anything like this before either. So let's take you out there before the heavens open again. This is it. We've got a view over there of them towers, which is amazing. We always sit out here. Well, I say we always sit out here. We sit out here when it's sunny, but on days like today in Manchester, not happening. But this is what you can see outside of our apartment. See a really nice view of them new towers that have just been built here in Manchester. We have actually been inside and had a look around the apartment, and they are beautiful as well. They're really nice apartments. So when the trees have grown over, it's a really nice view as well, but they're kind of covering right now. But it's about to chuck it down again, so let's get inside. So now we are moving on to the kitchen area. So if you come on in here, we have our built-in appliances. I have my built-in dishwasher over here because I cannot be bothered with washing up. We have our electric hob, which I really, really like. I like these electric hobs. The light comes on, it's brilliant, you know, everything built in as it would be. All our cupboards and everything. And I know you're looking at it right now and thinking, you don't have a cutlery drawer. Because we did. We looked for ages, we could not find the cutlery drawer. Come here. Look at this. Hidden secret cutlery drawer. Now, you know the inside scoop now.
What's in the fridge?
There's not really much in the fridge right now. We need to go shopping, but all healthy stuff. We are being really healthy at the moment. I am trying to lose lots of this lockdown weight. I am so over feeling like a blob, so healthy stuff at the moment. Now, I'm going to take you on to my favourite room of the apartment. We'll just move these doors. It gets really cosy when we close these doors on a night. It's really nice in here. But look at this. Now this is not any wall. It's not just any wall. Watch this. Ta-da! And this is now obviously my favourite room. This is where I get ready. This is where the magic happens, the transformation daily happens. And this is my makeup studio. Now when I'm doing my makeup, I do usually close them doors just because I like it to be me in my element in my room. But this is what it looks like. Close us in so you can see the full effect of the room. I usually turn my ring light around here and sit against this wall just so it's a white background, and this is where I do all of my makeup. I've got these lovely pictures on the wall. This one says think big, this one says just be you, and this one over here says I can and I will, and then the last one behind us on the wall, ignore that my lights have fallen down, disaster as usual, I know. This one says never give up, and I absolutely love these because when I'm doing my makeup and I'm feeling like, oh, this is not going well, I look at these pictures and it just motivates me to just carry on, you know. So we will finish it here in the hallway thing, what is this even called? Entrance room, whatever you call it. We'll finish it here where we started it. Thank you so much for watching my Manchester City Centre apartment tour. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss another video. Don't forget to check out my Instagram, which is BethCrawshaw_, and also my TikTok, which is just BethCrawshaw. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. It's your time to get out of here now, so you can go. Goodbye. See you later. Thanks for coming. Bye, guys.